Let's get cooking, man. Let's do something. Let's do something. Put something together. Beat's done. I'm just playing. Let's get it. I don't know what we're making. Staying in the moment, having fun. Let's keep it going. Let's take that. Let's run some of these keys through here, and we're gonna see what we can create with. I like the piano keys, but I may try something different. Where we at with the contact? Bring the contact back. All right, let's just try. Let's try the hybrid keys and see if that does a little something. So I'm gonna try one of these electric piano and see if that does something. Let's just try it. So where is the chords? Is it right there? Drag it. Boom. Hey, it's not bad. Say, to be able to use your own sounds is the most amazing feeling in the world. I'm up here using all the sounds from the Stoic kit right now. It's so dope. Anyways, keep going back. All right, cool. So I want to open up Splice and see what they're working with. See if there's something in there I can add here.
Let's start a riot! Oh, eh, oh, oh, oh. Oh, eh, oh, oh, oh. Suelo!
I don't know. What does that even mean?
Oh, eh, oh, oh, oh. Oh, eh, oh, oh,
Like I run that.
Suelo!
Oh, what is that?
Suelo?
Yeah.
It's ground.
Ground? Oh! This beat is grounded. So I feel it's ground, like to the ground, right? Okay, yeah. Should never told me that. You should have never told me that. I'm finna run this. Okay. Let's run it. Let's see what it sounds like with the rest of the beat. This is the most fun part. So we're gonna let that go 2 runs. Bring that. Suelo! That means ground if you didn't know. Had to educate Ray on this right now. God. And I'm gonna take out the swallow and I'm only gonna bring that in at specific parts, but I will be looping around that oh eh oh eh oh 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 oh. There we go. called Suelo. It's now called Suelo. I'm changing it from Ben and Jerry's. Not that it matters, but you guys know, what was that, a snorkel? But you guys know anytime I make something, it's going to be in a future pack. So if you enjoyed any elements of this, stay tuned. Keep rocking with us, the Slap Experts. I really, really enjoy being able to make these sounds for you guys. It takes all the pressure off of me. Y'all the ones got to cook up. Go get your placements. Go do all that other stuff. Do what you do. I'm just here to provide you with the tools so that you can cook. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Go ahead and tell a friend. Leave a comment about what's your favorite part of the beat. And yeah, we'll keep on cooking these. Thank you for watching. Peace.